Okay, so first of all, the data in this table is the average daily temperature in England between 1900 and 2019. And these numbers come from the UK Met Office. So you'll see they start on the 1st of January 1900 and go to the 31st of December 2019. You can delete this data and copy and paste in your own data, but just make sure that you are deleting the contents of the cells and not the actual cells themselves, because there are formulas later on that link to these cells. Then here we have the years for the drop-down list, and they go from 1900 to 2100. Then in the prep sheet here, we have all of the data preparation. And then in the heat map sheet, there are the heat maps. So there are 3 different types of heat map. One going long ways with the months stacked on top of each other. And then one where the months are arranged in a 3x4 configuration. And then one where the months are going side by side. To change the year, you can use the drop-down list here, or you can just type in the year that you want and press enter. To get the week to start on a Sunday, you need to put 1 in this cell here, and then to get the week to start on a Monday, you need a 2 in this cell here. Then I will select all of this and go to Home and Conditional Formatting and Manage Rules. Then scroll down to the bottom and select the Colour Scale and Edit Rule. And this is what you will need to do if you want to change the colour of the colour scales. And also at the moment, the minimum and the maximum is set to the lowest and the highest value, which means the colour scales between different years aren't comparable to each other. If you want to compare different years, you need to change the minimum and the maximum to actual numbers. If you want to get a picture of this, go to View and remove the grid lines. Then select the whole thing and go to Home and Copy as Picture, and then OK, and then Control V to paste, and then you'll have it in the form of a picture. There is a link in the description if you want to download this template, or you can watch my previous videos to find out how I made this spreadsheet. And that is everything.